At natapos ko rin, guys. Yan. I only gave one section for hubby. Yan na yung aking buffet, black buffet. Lagyan ko ng sugar, pero konti lang. Kasi, di ba, sweet potato is already sweet. LV tsaka Gucci. I left these ones, the paper, para hindi out of shape. Guys, ito na yung mga bags. So, the high end, yung mga nandito. Hi guys! Thank you for clicking into this video and welcome to my channel. So, it's another Saturday, a week after nag-move kami. And hindi pa rin kami tapos mag-ayos-ayos sa bahay kasi ang daming boxes talaga. And then I was also working and Nabi was working and attending to the kids. But ngayon, magawa na namin yung mga hindi namin nagawa. I'll show you later pagdating sa bahay. But today, dalhin muna namin si Jace sa kanyang art class. And we'll also grab some coffee. So, this is the look of Saturday. Mayroon pa siyang mga autumn leaves, even if it's June. Look at the autumn leaves, guys. It's still going on. No, ganda siya. Thank you. Ito na yung soy mocha ko, guys. And I'm just chilling here with hubby in the car. Oh, look at this, guys. Ayan pa yung mga autumn leaves. Hey guys, so ito na yung update ng aking bedroom, which is not done yet. Ganda pa naman ng panahon. I cannot show all the mess there. And dito yung lounge ko. So these are the bags and shoes. Finally na assemble na lahat. Ito yung bago, yung the ones in the right. In-assemble ng aking brother-in-law. And yan yung mga plants ko. The precious and dear to me. Let's go downstairs. And look at these boxes. Di pa talaga tapos. At least ito, nagawa na to ni hubby. Yan yung kanyang wine cabinet. And ito naman yung black buffet ko. Ito si Jace. Yan, at least natapos ko yung aking abobot cabinet. Yung gawin namin. That's so much to do. Pero sige lang, that's the final things to do. Ito na yung smeg corner ko, guys. During the daytime. Yan. The cloud is so blue. I mean, the sky is so blue. I have to finish up sorting and arranging and cleaning. At natapos ko rin, guys. Yan. And I'm happy with it. I only gave one section for hubby. The lower part, that's for his cargo shorts. And the rest is mine. Yung nilagay ko dito are the ones that need folding only. Like the knitwear. Yan, knitwear. And some of the summer dresses. The floral ones. And lace dresses. And the lower part is for my pants, tights, and little bit of my jeans. Kasi hindi na ako mahilig sa jeans right after COVID. Gusto ko lang homey and comfy. Ewan ko, basta yan na yung peg ko ngayon. And the top portion is for picture frames. Pero dagdagan ko yan. Ganito lang to pag open. Madali lang. Madali rin i-assemble. Kaya swak siya. amin ito. Mat place. Sorry. What's this one? Rubber mat for the backyard. For the back.
It uses little bristles.
What? And now the curtain rods.
Those are pretty long things.
So guys, ito na yung mga curtain rods. Nahirapan ako dito. Ano po? So we're buying, how many of this really?
6 3 meters and
No,
6
everything.
2 meters.
So 12. 12
Yes.
rods in black. Para, and then, but then the hooks are in white kasi walang mahanap na black hooks. Pinalitan namin yung black rods into white. Kasi yung hooks na nakuha namin is white. And at least the same color with the paint. Okay, happy na ako nito. Ito yung cart namin. And we got those 3 bins. Hey guys, nasa bahay ako. At may bisita ako. Yun yung in-laws ko, nandito sila. And I'm cooking kamote kyo. I'll show you. I actually put sugar on top of this. I don't know how others do, pero ako, nilagyan ko ng sugar, pero konti lang. Kasi, di ba, sweet potato is already sweet. This is the second batch kasi yung una, kinain na nila ng niece ko. What are you doing? So this is your new bed. This is only the backrest. Gabi na. Hindi ako nakakain ngayon lang. Kakain na ako sa aking ginawang kamote kyo and my sister's champurrado. And this crab claw. Okay, I will finish up my upstairs lounge, arrange the bags and shoes. The curtain rods that we bought ay i-deliver pa on Tuesday, so hindi ko magawa bukas. Oh my gosh, yung anak ko nakakainis. He is disturbing my video. That boy, he destroyed my page. Ayan ng boy, the third one to. So maingay. Okay, see you tomorrow. Ayan, natapos ko rin ang aking lounge. But it won't take long kasi parating na naman si Habi magdala ng mga boxes. So, nalinis ko rin yung aking kitchen. Oh, and pardon the box at the end kasi hindi pa yan tapos. At nagamit na namin ang aming Smeg dishwasher. Yun na siya for the first time and it's very quiet. I will remove this as soon as I can. And ito yung mga glasses na nakatago lang. Dapat gamitin na. It's sayang. Ilin ko lang to. Ay naku, my gosh, it's so... Okay guys, magligpit muna ako. Ito, ayan, tapos na rin yung aking buffet. Yeah, so this is a laundry hamper cabinet. So, ilagay namin yan doon, dalawa, para maayos na siya. At natapos na ni Habi yung kanyang shellac or varnishing sa kanyang computer desk. Napakalaki ng kanyang computer room. Hoy, anong ginagawa mo? What I've been doing na? 2 hours on switch already. I have to remove this guy. This guy here from the dining. He has to watch TV instead. Galing ko yung switch na. Oh, wala yung doormat namin na pinalitan ko yung hello. Kasi yung hello, nag-ano siya, nag-shed. Yun na yung bata, nilagay na niya yung switch. Tumakbo siya. Palayo sa akin, ayaw niya akong kukuha ng switch. Mag-TV ka na lang dong. Okay? Mag-Netflix ka. We're gonna put the window covering here tomorrow. After work. Natapos yun yung pag-sort out ko ng glasses, guys. Dito na siya sa taas. And natapos ko rin i-sort out yung aking mga utensils. Ito yung spare na spoons and forks at tsaka ilagay ko doon sa black buffet. Let's go. Right here. Ito. Yung aking silver. Here. Dito ko siya ilagay. This one, so I'm gonna put it here inside. Yan yung mga extra. Some of them for Christmas decorations. Hubby is here. He brought me coffee. And look at that. Sabi ko sa inyo pala. Magdadala na naman siya ng mga boxes kung kailan ko natapos. Thank you. I have coffee. Soy mocha. Oh, ang ganda. Cute naman. Jace, you have your... that's his one. You have your Dati cookies. Ay, nako. Ayan, at least natapos ko rin to, guys. Oh, ganda na, no? Cute. Saka ito. Oh, 1 box na lang natira. Ayusin ko yan kasi meron akong mga dito, oh. Bigay ng aking niece. Yung 8-piece bamboo lid food storage set. Kasyahin ko yan. Yung mga cereal, nuts, whatever, lentils, lagay ko dyan. And watch out for it. Check it out. Ang hirap. Ito, natapos ko rin yung mga utensils, spoons, forks, knives. So I leave the second shelf for that. Guys, natapos ko rin. Yan na yung aking buffet, black buffet. Hindi ko pa natapos yung coffee ko kasi daming ginagawa. Ito yung iakyat ko to sa room ni Jace. And ito naman yung buttons, loose ones. May designated place ako dyan sa taas. Tingnan natin. Ito. Dyan yung mga silver cutlery. And ito, konti pang iwan. Maybe maglagay ko ng yung eksakto talaga dyan at saka ibang cutleries na random. Ito yung mga wala, tapon ko na to. Yun yung pang Christmas yan. Ayan, nandito na siya. Ito. Dito siya. And yung naiwan, wala na yan. Tapon na yan. Ito na lang. Ayusin ko pa to. Yung mga school supplies or my office supplies. Tsaka yung albums. Yung nandito, nung ginawa mo dito. Iakyat ko to sa aking room. Sa mga perfume collection. Ay, nakong batang ito. Ay, nako guys. 2 p.m. na. Saka ako natapos sa baba. Now it's this space. It's turn. Okay. Ayan, hindi ko kasi matapos-tapos. Kasi may house chores naman akong ginagawa. Like washing and folding. Yung mga ganyan na yan. Ito yung bags and shoes ko. Oh, no. Ay, tapos na ni hubby yung varnishing niya. And he sets up my work home desk. Ayan na yung curve monitor ko. Gusto ko sana to sa work pero sabi niya my laptop cannot handle it. So dito lang. Guys, naging gabi na lang. Hindi ko pa nagawa to. Pero gawin ko na talaga. 4:30 na. Oh, mag-sunset na. Ayusin ko na talaga ngayon. Okay. About 5 p.m. mag-sunset na. And finally, I can do this part of the house and put my bags and shoes with the help of this. So, hindi ko muna tanggalin yung mga what's this called? Dust bags nila. Next time na lang para lang madali ngayon. Okay. Guys, natapos ko rin yung first box. So, off to the next box. So, ito na yung second box ko. The last designer bag and the native bag from the Philippines. This is my Chanel. Natapos na yung bags ko, guys. And I forgot this. It needs silica gel. So I'll just put them 1 each here. Ito yung mag-absorb ng moisture. Or para walang mold. Okay, dito na. Oh, and I found my Chanel dust bag. Guys, ito na yung mga bags. So, the high-end, yung mga nandito. Meron akong mga, native bags, yun, oh. Tsaka, yung mga, lang, trendy lang na bags dati. Yun ko ngayon. Okay, now I have to proceed to the shoes and boots. Okay, I'll start with this Chanel espadrilles. Then, yung mga sneakers ko, guys. Yung LV tsaka Gucci. Ilagyan ko talaga ng, I left this one, the paper, para hindi out of shape siya.